By following the steps in this tutorial, you will get a chance to establish your own income stream. Yes, this is designed for regular people with no prior experience. The best thing is that this website is available worldwide. The first thing you'll need to do is visit selfie.com. This is the platform that will pay you on a completely automatic basis. Now, what is selfie.com? This is a website where creators, business owners, and entrepreneurs sell their products hustle-free. It is an easy-to-use e-commerce for creators. They can sell merchandise as well as any type of digital product from one prime hub. As a result, this is a place where people can start their first online business. Don't worry, you do not need to be a creator for this. You will not be selling any merchandise or those particular products. You don't need to put any money into Selfie because I'll show you how to use it to make money without doing anything. We'll start by looking at how Selfie works. As you can see, over $50 million has been paid to sellers similar to those who will be referring to this platform. For creators and other online entrepreneurs, this website simplifies the process of selling digital products. So, the first step is to go to selfie.com and look around their platform. The second step is to sign up for their affiliate program. Simply scroll down and click on the affiliate section to be taken to this page where you can begin earning money. The best part is that you can earn a 25% commission for up to a year, which is pretty incredible. For the entire year, that's a 25% commission in pure passive income. This means you can refer someone today and earn money for the next 12 months without ever having to open your computer. For example, if you look at their pricing plans, you'll see that their most expensive plan is $99 per month or around $1,200 per year. From a total of $1,200, a 25% commission of $300 is earned. If they choose the monthly plans, they will be able to pay up to $160 per month, and if you make 25% on that, you will be making around $40 per person every single month. You refer 10 people, which equates to around $400 per month from 10 people. If you refer 100 people, you'll earn $4,000 per month for the next 12 months. You will not have to do anything and will continue to be paid on a monthly basis on Autopilot, with the potential being nearly limitless. With their affiliate program, you can refer an unlimited number of people, which is pretty incredible. You can earn a nice passive income and this works all over the world. They will also provide you with various resources and tools to assist you in obtaining those commissions. The thing is, if you refer 40 different people, you will receive a 40% commission, not a 25% commission, but a 40% commission. This means that if someone spends $1,000 on this platform, you will profit $400 passively from just one person. Now I'll show you how to put those clients on automatic pilot. All you have to do now is click the button that says Start Earning Money. This is the page for their Selfie affiliate program, where you can join by clicking the Start Earning button. You'll need to fill in some basic information about yourself in these boxes. Now all you have to do is wait a few hours to be accepted into their affiliate program. Once they accept your application, you'll be able to log into the affiliate platform's affiliated dashboard, where you'll be able to withdraw funds, get paid, track your earnings, and grab your affiliate links. Now all you have to do is grab your affiliate link and let me show you how we'll promote it. Because this is a platform that assists creators in generating revenue through the sale of merchandise and digital products. For example, you can go to youtube.com and search for how to make money as a creator, to see all of the different videos that explain how people can do it. So many people are interested in this, such that millions of people want to know how to make money as a creator and how to maximize their earnings. Simply put, you'll need to create a video that's between 5 and 10 minutes long. You won't have to show your face. Instead, title the video something like How to Make Money as a Creator or How to Sell Digital Products. You can make a screen share video similar to the one you're watching right now and then leave your link in the description. If you upload this video now, you'll almost certainly get no views. So, I'd like to share a platform that will help you drive traffic to the video where you're promoting your Selfie affiliate link in the description. This is the platform that will provide you with genuine views on your YouTube videos. Vfly.com is the domain name for this website. You can increase your YouTube views and make your videos go viral. Now, this is an optional step. You don't have to use VFly to boost your videos, but I wanted to show you that it is an option. By the way, this video is not sponsored, and the description contains no affiliate links. I recently discovered this service and believe it will undoubtedly help in the promotion of those videos. So, I really hope you did get some value out of this one. If you did get some value, then please drop a like and do yourself a favor by subscribing with notifications turned on. I hope to see you in one of my next videos.